I'll show you what I'm gonna have today, or I'm gonna make the juice for tomorrow. It's gonna be a green juice, and it will contain the following. So I will have some cabbage, celery, a carrot, broccoli, kale, green apple, probably about half a lemon, and I'll put it with the peel. All right, my green apples right here, and come on up. My baby spinach. So let's make it. Let's see if I can do one hand operation. Lemon goes in. Spinach. Just like that. And the juice is gonna come out. And I'll show you the final. I'll show you the final product. This is my juice. I have this much and that much, and I'll have enough for tomorrow. That. Alright, this is it. The most delicious juice. Enjoy it. Good. I can feel the celery. I can feel the lemon. And you know what else? I'm gonna put some flax seeds in it right now or tomorrow. But anyway, enjoy it, and I'm telling you, it's healthy, it's good. I feel better when I drink this. Enjoy. Subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you on the next one. I think I'll do more of these.